Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all fine as usual. And beta today is 29 September is the International Day of the challenge of the reducing food loss and waste during COVID-19. This year we celebrate the first ever acknowledgement of the International Day of Awareness of the Food Loss and Waste. It also comes during the global COVID-19 pandemic that has brought about a global wake-up on the need to transform and rebalance the way our food is produced and consumed. The COVID-19 pandemic constitutes generating significant challenges to food security in many countries. Crack up in supply chains, quarantine measures, the closure of much of the hospitality industry and school, all these measures have resulted in a loss of markets for producer and distributor, making the situation even more challenging while dealing with the high level of food waste. At the downstream end of the supply chain, with the panic buying and the stocking pilling by consumer supermarket, which are often key donors to food banks, struggled to keep their shelves stocked and are unable to donate food. Meanwhile, much of the food purchased by the households was discarded as food waste because of a misunderstanding of date making and improper storage of these household food items. We need to be aware of the importance of the issues of the food loss and waste now more than ever in order to promote and implement our global efforts towards resolving it. That is why in 2019 the 74th United Nations General Assembly designated 29 September as the International Day of Awareness of Food Loss and Waste, recognizing the fundamental role that sustainable food production plays in promoting food security and nutrition. Doubtless, this new International Day faces a lot of the challenges to achieve our goals of responsible consumption and production, which will contribute to the fight for the zero hunger and again the climate change, stop food loss and waste for the people, for the planet. Reducing food losses, waste is important in a world where the number of people affected by hunger has been slowly on the rise since 2014, and the tons of edible food are lost and are wasted every day. When food is lost or wasted, all the resources that were used to produce this food, including water, land, energy, labor, and capital, go to waste. In addition, the disposal of food loss and the waste in landfills leads to the greenhouse gas discharge, contributing onto climate change. That is the reason why this first theme for the new observance will be the stop food loss and waste for the people, for the planet. Actions are required globally and locally to minimize the use of the food we produce. The introductions of technologies, innovations, solutions, including the commerce platforms for the marketing, reactable mobile food processing system, new ways of working and good practices to manage food quality and reduce food loss and waste are key to implementing this transformative change. Reducing food loss and waste require the attention and actions all from good and food producer to food supply chain stockholders to food industry, retailers and consumers. Thank you very much.